Welcome to Part 4 of Transportation Vocabulary. 31. Road. Meaning, a way for vehicles to travel from one place to another. Example: this road leads to the city. Synonyms: street, route. Antonyms: there are no common direct antonyms. 32. Street. Meaning, a public road in a town or city. Example: the street is very busy today. Synonyms: road. Antonyms: there are no common direct antonyms. 33. Highway. Meaning, a wide road designed for fast traffic. Example: we drove on the highway for 2 hours. Synonyms: freeway, expressway. Antonyms: there are no common direct antonyms. 34. Bridge. Meaning, a structure built to cross a river, road, or valley. Example: the bridge crosses the river. Synonyms: overpass. Antonyms: there are no common direct antonyms. 35. Tunnel. Meaning, a passage built under the ground or through a mountain. Example: the train went through the tunnel. Synonyms: passage. Antonyms: there are no common direct antonyms. 36. Traffic. Meaning, the movement of vehicles on roads. Example: the traffic is heavy this morning. Synonyms: road traffic. Antonyms: there are no common direct antonyms. 37. Traffic light. Meaning, a set of colored lights that controls traffic. Example: stop at the red traffic light. Synonyms: traffic signal. Antonyms: there are no common direct antonyms. 38. Crosswalk. Meaning, a marked place where people can cross the road safely. Example: please use the crosswalk. Synonyms: pedestrian crossing. Antonyms: there are no common direct antonyms. 39. Intersection. Meaning, a place where two or more roads meet. Example: turn left at the intersection. Synonyms: junction. Antonyms: there are no common direct antonyms. 40. Parking lot. Meaning, an area where vehicles can be parked. Example: the parking lot is full. Synonyms: car park. Antonyms: there are no common direct antonyms. Subscribe for Part 5. Continue learning English with Avetra edu.